Alright guys, my name is Lucy Swag Monkey and I'm doing this to my dog. Alright,
Alicia, why is it zoomed in so much?
Oh, it got back up a little. Can you see me now?
No, you need to be like on the floor or something.
Oh. How much is it zoomed?
It's zoomed in so much. I have no idea how to fix it.
Bear with me, guys. Bear. Bet you in the summer,
I want to be in your video.
Oh my god, this is not gonna work.
Just go on the floor. I'll hold it when you guys are on the floor.
Alright.
What does she do? To see it. That's terrible.
Oh my gosh! That's funny, though.
Hey! Don't bite me. She's scared. Leave her alone.
Man, it's so zoomed in. God, you gotta be like a mile away. Alright, well, she's pretty much done. I abused her so much. So, I'm Lee Swag Monkey. Peace. Oh, man, weird dog. I'm funny, yo.